are established along the whole of Wendish Gulf. Tacitus also mentions the Venedi. There can therefore be no doubt that these people were seated on the coast of Mecklenburg and Pomerania before the time of the Anglo-Saxon settlement. That there were some differences in race between the Wends of various tribes is probable from the existence of such large tribes among them as the Wiltzi and the Obodriti, who in time of Charlemagne formed opposite alliances, the former with the Saxons, the latter with the Franks. The Wends who still exist in Lower Saxony are of a dark complexion. They're of a dark complexion and are the same stock as the Sorbs or Serbs of Serbia. They are Slavonic, but many tribes of Slavonic descent are fair in complexion, so many of them are light-skinned. Procopius tells us that those Vandals who were allies of the ancient Goths were remarkable for their tall stature, pale complexion, and blonde hair. It is therefore by no means improbable that the ancient Slavic tribes of the Baltic coast were distinguished by differences in complexion. So they're letting you know that there was different types of Slavic people. There was light-skinned Slavics and dark complexion. Must be more original. The same migratory movement in lesser degree appears to have extended even into England, bringing into our country some Slavonic settlers, probably in alliance with Saxons, Angles, Goths, and other tribes, and some later on in alliance with Danes. The existence of separate large tribes among the Wends is probable evidence of racial differences, and the alternative names they had are probably those by which they were known to themselves and to their neighbors. The remnant at the present time of the dark complexioned Wends of Saxony, who called themselves Sorbs, alright, shows that there must have been some old Wendish tribe of similar complexion from which they are descended, as the country anciently occupied by the Wiltzi included Brandenburg and the district around Berlin. It joined the limits of ancient Saxony. On the west, there is evidence arising from the survivals, alright? So it says